How to fix Instagram emojis not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and in the search bar search for Instagram and make sure the Instagram app is updated to its latest version in order for the app to perform smoothly. Next, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, navigate to Instagram and tap on it, and then tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app. Doing this will clear the cache on your application. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then in Settings itself, tap on General and then on Keyboard. Here, tap on the Keyboards option and then select the Emoji option and make sure the Emoji keyboard is added and active. And if none of these fixes your issue, then you can also try to disable any emoji replacing app or font on your device. If you are using a custom font or third-party emoji app, then it can override emoji rendering to your emoji keyboard not working. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram emojis not showing or missing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.